Good morning, everybody. My name is Michael.
And I'm Dione.
And welcome to
Miss FITZ'S Adventures.
Hey, welcome today. Today for us, it's Thanksgiving. Yep, and we are off today. So we are going to do some cooking later. And Dione wants to decorate and put up some Christmas lights that we usually carry around and string up. She's been waiting for 7 months now, or 8 months since we've been here. So today is the day that she gets to put them up, and we're just going to put them up in the tree that's in front of us. So that tree right there, where the ladder is, we're going to put some lights around it, and then hang some white lights up and around somehow. We'll figure out how to do it. But yeah, it's going to be pretty. So we wanted to tell you all Happy Thanksgiving. To our friends and family and all the new subscribers we have. We want to thank everybody for watching our videos. It has been kind of like really cool for the last month that we've gotten more and more people viewing our videos, which kind of makes us both really super happy.
Yes.
So just keep on watching our videos. They'll get better and better. And we got our bikes. My wrist is almost better, and we can start riding our bikes pretty soon. So we'll have some more with the rad bikes and hiking and doing different stuff like that. Yep. Even when it's cold out and snowing. I just got a new jacket. It will be here tomorrow, so Friday. And yeah, so that'll keep me nice and warm instead of this nice Shelter Cove jacket that I have. And yeah, so we're here at the house. We're going to do the Christmas lights up, and then we're going to go inside, and I'm going to cook dinner. And that should be fun. We're going to have chicken and stuffing, and we're going to also have some yams.
Sweet potatoes.
Sweet potato casserole with marshmallows on top. And we're going to have some green beans with some bacon in them. And yeah, and we're going to have chicken instead of turkey.
Turkey won't fit in the oven.
Turkey won't fit in the oven, and even a turkey breast wouldn't fit in our oven. So I don't think our chicken is going to fit in the oven. It's a little 5-pounder, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to split the breast. So we want to take you along today and watch us set up these Christmas tree lights, and then I'm going to go in the kitchen and cook a little bit. And Max is crying for us right now because he doesn't understand. He thinks we're leaving, and he's going to be stuck here, but he doesn't realize that we're just here all day. We brought him out 3 times for this video, and he sat and cried wanting to go back in. So now what it is, he wants us to come back in with him because
he thinks we're gonna leave him again.
Yeah, and we're not leaving. We're not going anywhere. So we keep telling him that, but he doesn't understand English. So, all right, guys, sit back, relax, and watch our video. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving, everybody.
Bye, guys. So we're inside now. Max has been crying at us. He doesn't know what he wants, but he's crying at us. Haven't you?
I love you.
And we love him too. All right, shh. Indoor votes. You've already had a handful. No more cookies. Mommy's giving you a cookie, and you've had 4 cookies already. Here you go. Up. 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 You gotta go look for the rest of them. Make him search for them.
Yeah.
All right, so we're back in the camper right now, and here's our
Chicken.
Our chicken. Yep, this is a little Farm Fresh, Foster Farms, natural chicken, no hormones, and no nothing, I guess. And it's cage free, so they put them in a big room, a bigger cage. So same thing. Hey everybody, I hope you enjoyed our video today. I hope you all had a great Thanksgiving. I know we did. We were very thankful that you guys came with us and subscribed, liked, and shared. And I hope you do it again next week, because we'll have another video out next Sunday. So thank you very much for watching. Come back and see us. You can always write us at msfitzadventures@gmail.com, or you can go on Facebook or Instagram and check us out there also. So for Dione, who's working right now, and myself, you guys have a great holiday season. We'll see you next week, okay?